So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going over some of these adding and subtracting of roots. The difference for this one in the last page is that instead of just square roots, we're dealing with different roots. So, remember, if the exponent or the root is the same and the inside is the same, you're in pretty good shape. I am going to start with number 2. So we cannot subtract these because this is the third root of 16 minus the third root of 2. So we need the inside part to be 2. So we have to think of 2 things that multiply to give us 16, where one of them is hopefully 2, and the other one's another number. So this should be pretty easy. What 2 things multiply to give me 16 where one is 2? Yeah, 8 and 2. Okay. What times what equals 8? We need 3 numbers that when I multiply them together gives me 8. 2. Okay, so we have 2 root 3 to the 2 minus the third root of 2. So then 2 minus 1 is just 1, or 2 root 3. Questions, comments, concerns about that? Okay. I would like to do one more of these. Is there any that you're looking at that you would like to try? No. You don't want to do 3 or 5 or 7? You want to do 7? Okay. 7, we've got a 3, and then it's the third root of 6y to the 7th plus 2y squared times the third root of 6y. So right here we've got 7s, right? We talked a little bit about this yesterday. So we've got 7 y's. Okay, shh, stop talking. Stop talking. I'm currently recording. I'm doing one more problem. Okay, so how many 3's are there? Groups of 3.
2.
I've got 1, 2, and then I end up having 1 y left over, right? So we end up having 3y squared, because there was 2 groups of 3. To the third root, 6y to the third root, plus 2y squared times 6y to the third root, root 3. Okay, now I can add these together in front. They both have a y squared, so they are like terms. So 3, 4, 5, so I've got 5y squared, 6y root 3. Okay, all right. So you only have 5 problems for there to go, and then you have, how many? 14 problems for the other one, but they should be pretty straightforward. Okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm going to give you guys the rest of the hour to work on this.